Samsung has switched and added various authentication technologies to its Galaxy S lineup of flagships, and at one point, the company's devices were shipping with iris scanners, making it similar to Apple's Face ID offered on its iPhones. However, the Korean giant has yet to provide facial recognition akin to its rivals, and according to one tipster, it appears that the feature will not arrive with the Galaxy S25 Ultra launch next year either. However, we may see this addition finding its place in Samsung's future flagships. There was a rumor doing the rounds, mentioning that the Galaxy S25 Ultra would have Polar ID, a polarized facial recognition system that would not sport any additional sensors required by Face ID. This would allow Samsung to retain the punch-hole front-facing circular cutout. Unfortunately, Sawyer Galax was quick to refute this claim on X, saying that it is impossible for the Galaxy S25 Ultra to feature this technology, though no detailed reason was given. Our hunch is that Apple has secured an exclusive deal with its suppliers, under which no manufacturer would be allowed to sell Face ID shipments to any other competitor. This is plausible because Face ID has existed since 2017, when Apple officially announced the iPhone X. Since then, not even Samsung has unveiled a half-baked version of Face ID. The picture hints that the company may not pursue Face ID-like technology on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, as it intends to save on components costs. However, the post mentions that a possibility exists where the Galaxy S26 Ultra may have this feature, but logically, it is too early to comment on Samsung's future plans. At this stage, the Galaxy S25 Ultra looks to be an iterative update of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, with minor differences between the two flagships. Samsung could be banking on the popularity of Galaxy AI to help with current and upcoming sales, but it should not be a reliable revenue generation source in the near future. Given that Samsung seems hesitant to adopt Face ID technology due to potential costs and exclusivity deals, what alternative biometric authentication advancements might they be focusing on for future Galaxy S series flagships? Could these advancements surpass Face ID in terms of security and functionality? Do let us know in the comments section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.